Hey everybody, 22 Plinkster here. Yeah, right, just kidding. 22 Plinkster, who wants to see that? It's boring. 22s, come on. Get some big bore rifles, 300 Win Mag, 7mm, come on. Hey, I'm just kidding. Just make a little fun of my buddy 22 Plinkster over there. Today we are going to be shooting a 22, however, and we are going to be shooting peacock eggs. And let me show you. Mike has been begging me to shoot more stuff off his head, and I thought, you know what, Mike, let's just shoot some eggs off your head. Here we go over here. You can see there's Mike's setup. Last time we hit him in the head, kind of scratched the top of his head a little bit. He said it just kind of scratched his brain and felt good. So here's these peacock eggs right here. And this, my friends, is a chicken egg. You can see the difference in that chicken egg there compared to these peacock eggs. I just gathered this chicken egg here a little bit ago. Quite a bit smaller. So let's get this set up. You guys can see or not, I don't know if you can see my shirt. It's Halloween today, so I got my pumpkin Halloween Kiss shirt on. If you can't see it right now, you'll see it as I'm filming this video. So let's get started, let's get shooting. Alright, I think this ought to be pretty interesting here. See what happens to Mike. Got that peacock egg on him. So I'm gonna walk in front of the camera here and put a bullet in the gun. Let's see what happens here. Guess I have to take it off safety. Oh man, crud. I got rotten egg on me. Let's set him up again. Woo! Mike's got rotten egg all over him. All over his head. Let's see if we can get an egg. There we go. That egg just sitting right on his head there. Whoa! That's kind of making a mess here. Oh, Mike. Oh, your head is so gross. You've got rotten egg all over you. Yuck, man. Pretty gross. Oh, man, look at that. Mike dropped his egg. Let's get another one on him here. Hope we can, can't quite get it to stay up there. Put this little cup on him. And there we go. Yeah, that should work. How many eggs can we shoot off of Mike's head? I kind of want to shoot Mike in the eye. Woo! Oh man, that egg crap is getting everywhere. Pretty gross. But I promised Mike that we would shoot these eggs off the top of his head. And so we got to do it. We have to do it. Oh, that one didn't. Got a jam there. Well, we'll fix that real quick. Thought I had that fixed. All right. Let's give it a shot. Oh, man. It's raining egg yolk. All right, guys. We got one more rotten egg to blow off of Mike's head. And it doesn't look like his head is doing too good. But, well, that's just the way it goes. All right, one more egg. Can we get it? You like this shirt? I love this shirt. Kiss! Oh, man! Well, guys, let's take a look at Mike here. Oh, there he is. Look at the poor guy, huh? Well, look at his head. He does have some holes in his head now. He got some yolk all over his head. Poor guy. Dang, I just feel so bad. But happy Halloween, you guys. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. We'll see you next time.